Hi everyone, it's Christina here. Welcome back to my kitchen. This is the place where we learn how to bake and cook together every week. So I'm going to show you how to make a dream cake, which is a little vanilla sponge and then a coconut meringue and some flaked almonds on top. So good. It was one of my rebel recipe, but then I changed a few ingredients and I made it mine. So the pictures are on my Instagram account, which is at Christina's Cuisine, and the video on YouTube will be on Rapid. But if you like what you see here today, guys, and you're not one of my subscribers yet, don't forget to subscribe and tap that little bell, because that way you get notifications every time I put a video up. Remember about the website, which is christinascuisine.com. Lots of yummy treats on there. If you're one of my locals, I can deliver, or you can pick it up. And until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, be safe and take care of yourselves, and go break an egg. So, the ingredients for the base of the coconut cake is going to be 75 grams of butter. You can use baking spread as well. She's using baking spread. 100 grams of custard sugar. 2 egg yolks I have here, and I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of milk. So I'm going to use oat milk because we don't use normal milk anymore. 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence and 175 self-raising flour. I'm going to try and do it on the mixer, and we're going to start by mixing the butter with the sugar until it's nice and fluffy.
Sometimes you need to go, take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be.
So now we're going to make the meringue. So we're going to use 2 egg whites and then 100 grams of custard sugar, also 5 grams of desiccated coconut, and some flaked almonds just for the top of the cake, so it looks pretty. We're going to start by mixing up add a pinch of salt to the egg white, so that way it will be nice and stiff. We're going to start by mixing this until it's nice.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together, it's so beautiful. You and me, we meant to be in the great outdoors.